Hello, dear students. Myself, Professor Rajesh Kagni, Hutatma Jayantrao Patil, Junior College, Himayatnagar, Dist Nanded. Dear students, in this video, we are going to learn about film review. Actually, this is the second video on film review. In the first video, we have seen the steps of the film review. Dear students, in this video, we are going to review of a well-known film, Three Idiots. I hope this will help you to review the film. Friends, this is nothing but a writing skill part, and I hope you will learn by watching this video to review the film. Please subscribe, share and like the channel. Friends, in writing skill section, the question will be asked to us. For example, write a review of any film you like in about 100 to 150 words. So I choose here just the Three Idiots film, and it was a very famous film in the year 2009. So let us discuss the review of the film Three Idiots. First of all, introduction. Three Idiots is a 2009 Indian Hindi language coming of age comedy drama film. It is edited and directed by Rajkumar Hirani and produced by Vidhu Vinod Chopra. The film is constructed by Vinod Chopra Film Production. Main characters in the film was Amir Khan, R. Madhavan, Sharman Joshi, Boman Irani, Kareena Kapoor, and more. The story of the movie is loosely adapted from the novel Five Point Someone by Chetan Bhagat. Dear students, the story in the film mainly happens as a famous engineering college of India named Imperial College of Engineering. It is the highest grossing Bollywood film for all time. It is also the first Indian movie which is officially released on YouTube and liked by viewers. Dear students, this is the first step in film review. That means बिफोर वॉचिंग द फिल्म. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सिनेमाची स्टोरी किंवा सिनेमा पाहत असताना त्याआधी नेमकं त्या सिनेमाविषयी काय लिहायचं असतं ते या ठिकाणी या पहिल्या पायरीमध्ये आपण लिहिलेलं आहे. यानंतर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या संपूर्ण सिनेमाचा प्लॉट ॲनालिसिस म्हणजे सेकंड पॉईंट जो असतो तो पाहणार आहोत आपण. The film begins with the entry of the three idiots named Raju Rastogi, Farhan Qureshi and Ranchor Das Syamal Das Chansad, who share a room in a hostel at the Imperial College of Engineering, one of the best college in India. Then they face mandatory ragging session in the hostel by senior students. Rancho handled the situation very smartly. Rancho always believed in his heart and liked to study experimentally. He always tells his friends not to run by memory, to learn by heart and experimentally. On the other hand, Chatur always keeps himself busy with study from book. So his class performance is better than Rancho. Chatur study only for better grade and better future, but Rancho studies to learn knowledge and give something to people. The dean of Imperial College of Engineering, Professor Viru Sahasrabuddhe, called by short name Virus, always tried to put pressure on the students and tells them to study hard for better grade and build up their career. From this view, Chatur becomes the favorite students of the Virus. Then Farhan and Raju tells Rancho to propose Virus' daughter Pia. They go to Virus' house and make fun. Virus see Raju and call him office next day. The next day, Virus threatened to expel Raju unless he sequel on Rancho. Raju can't handle this situation and jump from the third floor. Rancho and Farhan try their best to recover Raju. Raju takes an unexpected approach for an interview for the corporate job, and Farhan decided to pursue his love for photography. When Raju confirmed his job, Viraj decided to make the final exam as hard as possible so that Raju is unable to graduate. Pia can't take it easy, so Pia steal Viraj office key and give that to Rancho. Viraj get this matter and expel Rancho with his friends. In the meanwhile, Pia's elder sister and daughter of Virus, Mona, is pregnant, goes into labor. A heavy storm cuts all the power and traffic. Then the instruct Rancho to deliver the baby in the college common room via VoIP. When the baby born, it doesn't make any sound of cry. The Rancho resuscitates the baby. After that, Virus realizes his mistake and gives the astronaut pen, the symbol of excellence, to Rancho. He also allows them to sit for final examination. 10 years later, Farhan and Raju with Chatur find their friend Rancho as a scientist, where his real name is Fulsug Wangdu. Actually, Chatur's business company is under contract with scientist Wangdu. Then Chatur realizes his fault and ends the movie. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, यानंतर आपल्याला बघायचं असतं ते कॅरेक्टरायझेशन म्हणजे चित्रपटातील व्यक्तिचित्रण. कॅरेक्टरायझेशन मीन्स हाऊ द कॅरेक्टर्स आर डिस्क्राइब्ड. इट इज अ रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ अ पर्सन ऑर अदर बीइंग्स इन द मूवी. दिस may be done through a commentary or more often from the character's action, dialogue, the way they speaks, appearance, behavior, and etc. So let us learn about every and each. Rancho, as intelligent, completed his graduation and make a distance from his friends for 10 years. He fought against the wrong system of teaching and was often punished for this. But finally, he achieved the highest level of success and became a scientist. Then, the second and important character, played by R. Madhavan, he played as Farhan Qureshi, who was a Rancho's friend. Finally, he realized about his passion and became a wildlife photographer. The third character was played by Sharman Joshi. He played as Raju Rastogi, who was Rancho's another friend. He came from poor family and he wanted to become an engineer to improve their condition. Then the another important character played by Boman Irani as Dr. Viru Sahasrabuddhe, better known as Virus, who became director of the college. He was strict and rude in his character. He was highly competitive too. He put huge pressure to achieve better to his students to get better career. Actually, he was known as industrial leadership. Viru Sahasrabuddhe or Virus, the dean of the institution, and he was just the important character. It is well said that leaders are made, not born, and Virus has his own principles, values, and ideologies, and he leads the institute accordingly. He believes that he has led his institution from 6th place to the 1st place. This is an example of current institutional leadership. Then Other characters were played by Omi Vaidya, played as a role as a Chatur, better known as the silencer. Kareena Kapoor played the minor role as a Pia, Virus, young daughter. Dear students, in this way all the characters were important in the success of the film. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या पद्धतीने सिनेमातील संपूर्ण पात्र कशी होती ती आपण बघितलीत. यानंतर सिनेमाचा सिनेमॅटोग्राफी म्हणजेच चित्रीकरण कसं झालं होतं ते आपण पाहूयात. सिनेमॅटोग्राफी इज द आर्ट ऑफ फोटोग्राफी अँड कॅमेरा वर्क in the film making. Every person behind the camera gives his or her best to this film. Especially director Hirani does a magnificent job by representing this story perfectly. This movie is shooted in India. C.K. मुरलीधरन्स सिनेमॅटोग्राफी इज ॲवसम. यानंतर फिल्म रिव्ह्यूमधला पुढचा मुद्दा आहे म्युझिक अँड साऊंड अँड द डायरेक्शन. सिनेमाचं संगीत ध्वनिमुद्रण कसं होतं, त्याचबरोबर दिग्दर्शन कशा पद्धतीचं होतं याविषयीसुद्धा आपल्याला माहिती लिहावयाची असते. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, 3 इडियट ह्या सिनेमाचं म्युझिक आणि साऊंड जर बघितला, शंतनू मोइत्रास म्युझिक मे साऊंड प्लेन ऑर्डिनरी टू इयर्स, बट वेन व्ह्यूड ऑन स्क्रीन the score is just perfect. Sound is variety of ways of dramatic effect to the film. This credit also goes to choreographer Avit Dias and the direction of the film. The direction means directing each member of the cast and crew while shooting the film. It is the crucial part of the film. 3 Idiots is a Bollywood comedy drama film edited by and directed by Rajkumar Hirani and produced by Vidhu Vinod Chopra. यानंतरचा मुद्दा असतो ॲक्टिंग म्हणजेच अभिनय. सिनेमामध्ये कशा पद्धतीचा अभिनय झाला होता, त्याचबरोबर स्क्रिप्ट रायटर पटकथा लेखक हे कोण होते आणि त्यांनी पटकथा कशा पद्धतीने लिहिली हेही पाहायचं असतं. In acting, all the characters are obviously a very important part of this film. It is the job of the actor to make sure that his or her performance is consistent with whatever the goal of the film. We can judge easily of this film watching every actor's acting. Let us learn the scriptwriter. The script is the word and dialogues of the film. All characters, dialogues and characterization evaluate the success of the film 3 Idiots. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, यानंतर शेवटचा आणि महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा असतो की मोरल मेसेज और लेसन. या सिनेमामधनं आपण काय शिकलोत, नेमकं कोणता बोध घेण्यासारखा आहे, हा सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा पॉईंट्स जो आहे तो आपल्याला लिहावयाचा असतो. म्हणजे सिनेमा पाहिल्याच्या नंतरची जी पायरी आहे काय आहे, ती पायरी म्हणजेच कोणता संदेश आपल्याला आणि समाजाला या सिनेमामधनं मिळालेला आहे ते पाहूयात. मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी हा जो 3 इडियट्स सिनेमा आहे, खरं म्हणजे तो अतिशय महत्त्वाचा अशा प्रकारचा सिनेमा आहे आणि तो आपल्याला बरंचसं काहीतरी शिकवूनसुद्धा जातो. यामध्ये मोरल लेसन जर आपण म्हटलं तर पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला असं म्हणता येईल की फोबिया ऑफ अ न्यू प्लेस ऑर पीपल. फिअर इज द ग्रेटेस्ट एनिमी ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडन्स. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची जी आहे नवीन लोक आणि नवीन ठिकाणाविषयीची भीती विद्यार्थ्यांना असते ती नसायला पाहिजे. त्यानंतरचा पुढचा मोरल लेसन आपल्याला लाईफ इज अ रेस. जीवन आहे ते शर्यत आहे, परंतु विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वी कॅन रन इन लाईफ बट विथ द बेसिक लर्निंग. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पुढचा जो पॉईंट आहे तो आहे डोंट क्विट. तुम्ही कोणतेही काम करत असताना सोडू नका. प्ले विथ चॅलेंजेस, नॉट विथ आवर लाईफ. जीवनासोबत खेळू नका, तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या अडचणीसोबत, आव्हानांसोबत खेळा. कीप लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स. बी अ वेल एज्युकेटेड पर्सन, नॉट वेल ट्रेंड पर्सन. नवनवीन गोष्टी शिकत राहा. त्याचबरोबर पुढचा एक संदेश आपल्याला यामधनं शिकता येईल. अवॉइड क्रॅमिंग. विथ क्रॅमिंग यू विल गेट 100 आउट ऑफ 100 मार्क्स, बट नॉलेज लेवल विल बी 0. सो स्टॉप क्रॅमिंग. आणि क्रॅमिंग म्हणजे या ठिकाणी रट्टामार करणे किंवा पोपटपंची करणे. पोपटपंची केल्याने किंवा रट्टामार केल्याने 100पैकी 100 मार्क मिळतील, पण ज्ञान मात्र विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो 0 असेल. यानंतर डिस्कस युअर सेल्फ अँड लर्न एनिथिंग बाय हार्ट टू अचीव हायेस्ट लेवल ऑफ द गोल. तुम्ही तुमच्या मनापासून शिका, तुमच्या मनापासून एखादी गोष्ट करा आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाचं जे उद्दिष्ट आहे ते तुम्ही पूर्ण करा. त्यानंतर शेवटचा मोरल लेसन आपल्याला शिकता येईल, तो म्हणजे फोकस ऑन युअर प्रेझेंट टू मेक. डोंट मेक युअर लाईफ अ प्रेशर कुकर. तुम्ही तुमच्या सध्याच्या जीवनावरती फोकस करा. तुम्हाला नेमकं कसं काम करता येईल, कसा अभ्यास करता येईल त्यावरती फोकस करा. तुमच्या आयुष्याला प्रेशर कुकरसारखं बनवू नका, संकुचित बनवू नका, दबावाखाली राहू नका. तसंच अभ्यासाचं नेहमी ओझं डोक्यामध्ये घेऊन राहू नका. सहजतेने अभ्यास करा, सहजतेने यशस्वी व्हा. या पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आपल्याला फिल्म रिव्ह्यू करायचा असतो आणि मला अपेक्षा आहे की तुम्ही माझा हा फिल्म रिव्ह्यू मी या व्हिडिओमध्ये केलेला तुम्हाला आवडलेला असेल. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो माझं चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि महत्त्वाची गोष्ट म्हणजे कॉमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कॉमेंट करायला विसरू नका. धन्यवाद.